here with the biggest group of the day. How are you guys feeling?
Feeling fantastic.
Fantastic. Are you guys excited about this adventure we know as rafting? Now we're going back down. Oh my dear Lord! That is brutal, brutal stuff. Oh my.
Captain Dion will be there when we go. Carelessly careening, quickly scream.
Everybody's alright. Everybody's inside. Everybody's on you.
Well, alright folks, here we are, Jump Rock, and you can tell we are on a red big bridge rock that is 9,000 feet tall, and this kid is our first contestant. Woo! How do you feel about being the first contestant?
I'm stoked.
Alright, well let's see what...
Just don't think about it.
Let's see it, man. Let's keep on going. You, sir.
Shit.
Oh, the next lucky contestant.
Just don't look, just go. Yeah, I hope my shoes are not...
He hopes his shoes don't fall off.
Oh.
Let's see what you got, dog.
Just jump, Leon! You can do it!
3, 2, 1. Following his footsteps.
Who's going first?
It's going to be ever so gracefully walking right off this rock.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
There you go.
These kids are falling.
The boy, she bring me a toy. I'm my mama's pride and joy. Now there ain't no use for you to keep on hanging round. I love you, but I've got to let you down. That jelly roll is sweet. It's really hard to beat. I know you want it, but you can't have it. 'Cause I ain't gonna give you none. Come on!
Alright folks, unfortunately every good thing must come to an end, and that is going to be the conclusion of our journey through this here gorge that we know as the New River.